Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to apply for an EBT card in 2025. If you're dealing with food assistance or other benefits, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it as straightforward as possible. First off, what's an EBT card? It's your electronic benefits transfer card, basically a debit-like card loaded with government assistance funds for groceries and essentials. With updates in 2025, the application might be even more streamlined, so let's dive in. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Visit the official government website, like USDA or your state's benefits portal, to see if you qualify based on income, household size, and other factors. It's quick and can save you time later. Next, gather your documents. You'll need proof of identity, such as a driver's license or social security number, proof of income, residency details, and information about your household members. Make sure everything is up to date to avoid delays. Now, onto the application itself. In 2025, most states offer online applications for convenience. Head to your state's official benefits website and create an account. Fill out the form accurately, upload your documents, and submit. If you prefer, you can apply in person at a local office or by mail, but online is usually faster. After submission, you'll wait for approval, which could take a few days to weeks depending on your state. Once approved, your EBT card will be mailed to you. Don't forget to activate your card when it arrives. Follow the instructions, set a PIN, and start using it right away. Remember, keep an eye on your benefits balance through the app or website. If you run into issues, contact your state's support line, they're there to help. Applying for an EBT card in 2025 is easier than ever, but always double-check for state-specific rules. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.